Hello, my name is Sam Sahai. I'm with the Keller Real Estate Group in Southern California, part of Keller Williams Beach Cities. I'm here at Hyland Bay in Scottsdale, Arizona, taking the new Sales Unlimited course with Bill. And I just want to give a little testimonial of how fantastic this course is. We're finishing up today, so I'm still in the process of the course, but it's been absolutely fantastic.
When I first decided to go into new home sales, I've been selling houses for quite a while. I thought it was going to be a piece of cake. And then I found out that I couldn't get hired. Everybody told me that if you want to be in new home sales, you need to go to Hyland Bay and take the classes. I know why now. After the classes are over, man, there was so much that I did not know that this turned out to be a godsend.
All right, my name is Sydney. I came to Hyland Bay just a couple days ago, and I have learned so much in these past 3 days about new home sales, the sales process, what you need to be a successful new home salesperson. Bill and Scott are great. They are both a wealth of knowledge, and I really think everybody could benefit from going through this 3-day continuing education course. And I just want to thank Bill and Scott and Hyland Bay, and I think you should really consider doing it if you haven't yet. So.
Hi, my name is Daniel Zambrano. I am currently working for Hyland Bay. I made the switch to Hyland Bay from a different temporary staffing company, and I've been blown away with the difference between the two companies. The biggest reason I made that transition was because I wanted to be at a company that actually offered training and real experience with new home sales. And I found that at Hyland Bay. But this class is by far the best sales-oriented anything that I've ever been a part of. I'd worked in retail sales for years. I've gone to countless workshops and heard lots of presentations about how to sell things. None of that prepares you for how to sell a new home, and this class does. Bill is a very engaging, very unique personality who's just really a pleasure to be able to just sit there and absorb from. This isn't just like a PowerPoint presentation that you're just reading slides the whole time. It's very engaging and is going to give you the tools and the things necessary you need to even look like you belong in the new home sales industry. If you've been in real estate, in the resale piece of real estate for a year or 10 years or 20 years, you still need this class. If you're planning on getting into new home sales, it's a drastically different culture, full of different verbiage and expectations that you don't have in the resale industry. So even my experience in resale didn't prepare me for how to function inside of a new home sales office. So that is the main reason I would recommend you taking this class. It is not a waste of money. It's definitely not a waste of time. And I would highly encourage anyone who's even just kind of on the fence about this, and maybe even just looking at doing it for your CEUs or whatever that is, to just take it. But if you're looking at trying to work full-time for a new home builder, you have zero chance without taking this class. So I'd highly recommend it, and good luck to you in your own journey.
Hello everyone, my name is Hovan Salibian. I am a student of the Hyland Bay New Home Sales Unlimited course, and being new to the real estate industry and having just gone through the new home process myself, I'm excited to learn some of the sales techniques and be able to leave with tools in hand for day one of new home sales. If you're in the real estate industry, you'll learn some great sales tools and techniques, as well as if you want to get into new home sales itself, definitely contact Hyland Bay. This is something you need to do to further your career and have that toolkit available to you for day one and beyond.